Submit to one another out of reverence for Christ. Wives, submit yourselves to your own husbands as you do to the Lord. For the husband is the head of the wife, as Christ is the head of the church, his body of which he is the Savior. Husbands, love your wives just as Christ loved the church and gave himself up to her.
Walang aksidente sa Panginoon. Ito ay nakasulat na sa kanyang plano. God has joined you together. Remove from your heart the words divorce, separate, annulment. I need space. Hindi na kailangan ninyong pinag-iisipan yan. Alam nyo, there are many ways for the world to destroy what God has joined together. By putting Christ in the center of your marriage, malalabanan nyo po ito.